silly, 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 silly. Mazatlan, say Mazatlan. Up and down, up and down. The wheels on the car go up and down all day long. To cross the road now. Just gonna take a short ride on Pulmonia to the sign of Mazatlan. It's gonna be fun. So we're still on the boardwalk and we're nearing the end of it, the north end. It's actually incredible. We walked for so long. We walked most of the boardwalk. So speaking of the road inconvenience, so if you have a place right in one of these high-rise buildings and then you have to go to the beach, you have to cross the road like I mentioned before. And so look out, it's not that easy to actually cross this road. It's a very busy road with lots of traffic. And let's wait, Princess. Okay, here's our Pulmonia. Hello. Letras de Mazatlán. ¿Cuántos pesos? 6 pesos. Okay. Okay, 6 pesos per persona or total? 60. Like 60. Okay, 60 pesos to get to like the place where we want to be. We're going to the iconic Mazatlan sign with the letters of Mazatlan. And here we go, we're on Pulmonia. Look at this wheel! It's a cute little car, just for 4 people. Open air car.
Yo no supe dónde quedaron, porque no escuché el final, pero fuimos a Hacer a un amigo visitar. Pero dijo, senador.
That's a cute sanitizer. This is such a fun ride with the ocean views right here. We can ride all day long, up and down the Malecon. That's awesome. A little noisy, a little loud with all the music. Some other cars are playing, but that's what life is like in Mexico. Everything is loud. You gotta be loud here. Yeah. you can see the letters saying Mazatlán right here. So it's a symbolic sign, everybody. It's like a landmark. You gotta take a picture by that sign.
Where are we going?
We're turning around, making a U-turn, because we're going to that side. Look at all these fun cars. That's awesome. Feels like a real resort place with all these open air cars, different kinds of vehicles. Just to ride with the air breeze right in your face. That's fun. Here we are. Just arrived. That's a cute pulmonea. I liked it. So this was our first ride on this cute little pulmonea. And it was fun. I really liked it. It's loud and noisy, but it's so much fun.
Where you go?
So I want to do it again. Yes, loud and crazy, but it's fun. Going to the sign of Mazatlan. Right here. And here we are. Do you remember the sign? Look at it. Woo! And here it is. The iconic sign. And here you see life. There's so much life here. Okay, let's take a picture. Mazatlan! Say Mazatlan! And here it is, the Mazatlan sign. It welcomes you all. An iconic sign of the Mazatlan. And that's the end or the beginning of the boardwalk, Malecon. You can start from here, you can end here. It's your choice, right? Yeah? Yeah, it's a great boardwalk actually. It really is. It's a good thing to just walk it. So, yes, what about it?
Is that one?
Yes.
Oh no.
And say hi and wave.
Oh, that's for that paper. We need a poem up here. Is that for me? Is that for me?
Oh, it could be. That one was neat actually, right? Okay, next one. Dance. Silly, 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 silly. Let's jump together now. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Let's go look at the statue. So the sculpture right here by the iconic sign of Mazatlan, of the family, right? It's Mazatlecos, the family of hardworking people of Mazatlan, welcoming you in Mazatlan. Yeah, right by the sign, right there. You can see the sign. It's really a nice sculpture, though. Yeah. So, oh, look at those beautiful rocks down below. Wow, this is cool. So this is a good spot for photo shoot. Look at this. Look at this flat rocks, so beautiful. Wow, nice. Actually, we can take a walk down there. It's right here, the staircase. You have? Yes, you're right on the beach. You're right by the ocean. Wow, look at this humongous shell. Let's walk over there. This way, Princess. Come over here. Over here. Wow, look at this rock formation. It's natural formation, but looks very pretty.
Come up here.
It reminds me island, like giant causeway in Ireland, where it's also all made of like right by the ocean on the beach, made of rocks, like they went up from the water. Wow, look at that.
Here we are.
Here we are. Woo! Woo! Navigate safely. Yeah, walk carefully here. Across. Woo! You just crossed the canyon. Big canyon. Yeah. There's a little lakes, like a crater here, like a volcano crater. Whoa! Let's go this way. You know what's amazing? The waves hitting the rocks. Look at them. Look how they hit the rocks so hard. Careful.
Wow, this plastic.
Can you smell? Can you smell the ocean? There's the smell of the ocean, of like very seafood or something. There it comes. Wait, the big one is coming. Wait for it. Watch it. Watch it. Look. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, it's so nice. Oh, it's amazing. Daddy. Oh. There's another one, big one coming. Bedtime. Is there a lot of fish? Yeah, muchos pescados? Oh, okay. See, let's see. There's a fish. Prince Eric, come, fish. Look at the fish. Oh, wow. You just caught it? ¿Cómo se llama? Margo? Oh, look, it's so pretty, this fish. The fisherman has just caught one right now, just now. Wow. Come, look.
What?
Look at this. Tell me what this is.
It's a fish.
Look.
It's a fish.
What is it doing?
What are you doing?
It's breathing.
It's breathing.
Yeah, see?
And he's swimming.
She's trying to swim.
But he's stuck.
He's so pretty. Look at these eyes.
Let's pet him.
Good.
Another
Thank you so much. That's good.
Now we can
That's fun. Wow. Be careful. It's just water. It's okay. Okay.
Wow, that one is big.
I have to.
Whee!
There. See there. Look, there's more lakes over here. Wow. There's lots of lakes.
Come on.
Water. Woo! Look at this. Woo! Look at these waves. Look how big they are. Woo! Whoa! Spread your arms like that. Whoa! Woo! Wow!
What you can over here?
Wow! The nature is wild.
Look at here. We need to go to another one.
That's a lot of fun. That's your field trip, Prince Eric, of sea life, marine life. Yeah? Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay, let's go sit on the bench. We're gonna catch a pulmonia.
How is it the same? What's this music?
It's from that pulmonia. Ah, there's a... Hello? Let's go, okay. Oh, that's our pulmonia right here. Buenas tardes. The sea lion, Playa Norte. Playa Norte.
No.
Playa Norte. ¿Cuántas cuesta? How much? 100. 100. Okay. 100 pesos. Yeah. This is a fun one. Look at it. It's so cute. That's your favorite color. Turquoise. Pulmonia ride. Mazatlán, Malecon. It's actually a very comfortable ride, you know, because the seats are very cushioned. It feels good.
And it's also very bumpy. It's very bumpy.
It's not. It's actually a soft ride. The seats are very cushioned.
Why is this so fun?
It's just fun, yeah? And on the right there is the ocean.
What is the city?
Yeah. It's amazing. Guys, very fun ride. Highly recommend. Once you are in Mazatlán, take a ride on Pulmonia. Yay! So much fun. These ocean views are the best from Pulmonia. Better than from the